Princess Cute. Welcome to another video. And today I want to share some news with you guys. Yesterday I shared a video with you guys where we had the birds build a nest on our balcony, right? But unfortunately, they have dropped their nest. As you can see, there are some branches on the ground. Right there, they dropped their nest. But the good news is that there were less sticks than there are now down there. So I think what they're trying to do is get more sticks to build the nest. And then they might rebuild it. So that's what has happened so far. But yeah, guys, I really was excited for them to be up here and just to see them every morning. But you know, guys, it's okay. And I will, again, if they come back, I will keep posting bird videos about them. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye.